Chapter number 3, introduction of acid. Okay, acid means what? It is anything that can produce H plus or H3O plus ion in solution. For example, HCl gas is neutral, but when HCl is dipped into water, okay, or mixed with water, it will produce H3O plus ion. Okay, and the presence of that hydronium ion, this hydronium ion, okay, symbolize that HCl is an acid. Okay, so what is the definition of an acid? Acid means that can produce H plus ion or H3O plus ion in solution, in water solution, is known as an acid. Okay, now classification of acid. In the video, okay, I gave about the introduction of an acid. Now we will discuss about the classification of acid. First classification is classification. Okay, first classification with respect to their source. With respect to their source, it is two types of acids are available. One is organic and another one is inorganic. Okay, organic acid means source is natural. Examples like oxalic acid, okay, acetic acid, oxalic acid, acetic acid. Inorganic acid, the source are minerals, HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, and comparatively inorganic acid are much more stronger than organic acid. Okay, exception is, this is an exception, is H2CO3. It is also a mineral acid, but it is a weak acid. Okay, so be careful, it is a weak acid. Now second classification with respect to basicity. Okay, with respect to basicity. Now question is, what is basicity? What is basicity? Basicity stands for number of ionizable H plus. Okay, H plus ion or number of H3O plus ion in aqueous solution. That means only the presence of hydrogen, okay, does not symbolize the particular molecule and acid. Suppose methane, CH4, okay, 4 hydrogen atoms, okay, but none of the hydrogen will produce H plus ion. Just like glucose, C6H12O6, just like sugar, C12H22O11. These are all the molecules is carrying lots of hydrogen atoms, but still they are not acid. Why? Because they are not able to produce an H plus ion or H3O plus ion in aqueous solution. That means the presence of hydrogen means it is an acid. It is a wrong concept. Okay. So with respect to basicity, we are getting 3 types. First is monobasic, okay, dibasic, tribasic, and tetrabasic. Okay, monobasic example is HCl, its example is H2SO4, its example is H3PO4, its example is H4SiO4. And don't consider here number of hydrogen is 1, that's why it is mono, number of hydrogen 2, that's why it is di. It is wrong concept. Okay, exception, that is H3PO3. How many hydrogens are present? 3, but its basicity is 2. That means number of hydrogen equals to number of basicity. Again, wrong concept. Number of basicity equals to only with the number of H plus ion or number of H2O plus ion. Here number of hydrogen is 3, but H3PO3, that is phosphorus acid, this is phosphoric acid. Phosphorus acid can produce 2 H plus ion or 2 H3O plus ion in aqueous solution out of 3. That's why its basicity is 2. Okay. Now monoacid. HCl in water, HCl plus C minus. Okay, die. H2SO4. H2SO4 will dissociate like that, H plus followed by HSO4 minus. Okay, then HSO4 minus again, H plus followed by SO4 2 minus. Okay, then 5 acid, H3PO4, which will dissociate like that, H plus H2PO4 minus. Make it simple. How many hydrogen present? 3. One hydrogen is ionized, then 2 left, plus one generation of plus charge. That means there has to be a one generation of minus charge because that side is neutral. H3PO4 again. Okay, if 2H plus are released, okay, so then how many hydrogen left? 1. HPO4, generation of 2 positive charge, then 2 negative. H3PO4 again. Okay, if 3 out of 3 will eliminate, none of the hydrogen left, flow charge is PO4 3 minus. And tetra basic same, tetra example is H4SiO4, its name is silicic acid.